How to set up call forwarding on iPhone. Setting up call forwarding on an iPhone is simple, and here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once you open the Settings app, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps option available there. Now, once you tap on the apps, all you have to do is scroll down again and tap on the phone option available there. If you do not find the phone, then you can simply tap on the search address bar and search for it. Once you tap on the phone, inside phone again scroll down, and there you will get to see call forwarding option available. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, toggle the call forwarding switch to on, which is green. And once done so, you can tap on the forward to option available on your screen once you toggle that switch on, and enter the phone number to which you want your calls to be forwarded. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.